You're about to discover a true revolution in construction. Let us introduce you to the Eco Brick, an innovation first developed in 1972 by Francisco Aguilar, director of Jarfel, Sahara, one of the leading names in sustainable construction technology. This brick is made from soil and cement, and it doesn't require firing, which means no burning, no smoke, and a significantly lower environmental impact. But it's not just sustainable, it's also smart. Its interlocking design works just like Lego blocks, making construction faster, easier, and up to 50% more affordable. And those holes you see, they're not just for show. They allow for electrical and plumbing installations, improve ventilation, and provide thermal and acoustic insulation. The result? Cooler, quieter, and more efficient homes with less moisture and mold. Now that you've seen why this brick is so special, let us show the machine that makes it all possible. Meet the manual press by Jarfel Sahara. This press is compact enough to fit in the trunk of a car, yet powerful enough to change the way you work. It doesn't need electricity and operates with light lever movements, so anyone can learn to use it safely in just minutes. With a production cycle of only 8 to 10 seconds per brick, you can achieve high output with a small team, all in a single work shift. And here's the real game changer. If you thought this press could only make one type of brick, think again. The Jarfel Sahara manual press can be equipped with accessories to produce up to 35 different brick models. That includes standard eco bricks, half bricks, grooved bricks, solid bricks, rounded corner bricks, bricks with pipe outlets, channel bricks for wall anchoring, and much more. With this kind of versatility, you can stand out in the market, offer complete construction solutions, and serve projects of all sizes. Plus, you will have full technical support and the backing of a company that's already helped thousands of builders change their lives. Now it's your turn to transform the way you build. Jarfel Sahara, technology building the future. Did you like what you saw? Here's a great bonus: a complete in-person training at our headquarters in Brazil. You'll learn everything you need, from how to select the right materials, how to operate and maintain the machine, and even tips on how to sell your products. And for our international customers, here's how our payment process works. We work with 50% upfront at the time of purchase and the remaining 50% when your machine is ready for shipment. Payments can be made via international wire transfer through Proforma Invoice or PayPal, ensure convenience and security. If you ever come to Brazil, feel free to visit us. We're located at Rodovia Mogi Bertioga, kilometer 61.5, number 1080. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.